Welcome to another lesson from Harry Styles' 2019 album Fine Line. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Golden. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So the intro, verse, and chorus are made up of two chords, the first of which is a C major chord. So for this, you're going to place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the B string, and you're going to strum from the A string. And then next is a D major chord. So you're going to place your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the high E string, and you're going to strum from the D string. And all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge. So the bridge uses the same chords as the intro, verse, and chorus, just a different strumming pattern. It sounds like this. And that's it for Golden. Like I mentioned, this video helped you. Please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for lessons from this artist. Thanks.